So keep that on.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check.
This is
I mean,
just a pure.
since OPEC Plus has come in, oil's gone up.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check.
From 84 to
Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check.
84,
Testing the levels, testing the levels.
but
Testing the levels, testing the levels, testing the devils. Oh, Lord, bro. The numbers didn't come in hot. They didn't come in hot, bro. It's not looking good for that swing. Man, I knew I should have just got out, bro. Jesus Christ. Dude. I mean, inflation, I mean, it's not going down, but it's not hot, which means that could be bullish for the market. And being that I'm stuck in this damn swing, bro. Oh, Lord have mercy. Man, I need to get out of this thing, dude. Look, we sold off. And now we're like trying to grind back up. We're still under 100. So let's try to find a resistance. Let me close that and just check the health of the stream real quick. Alright, looking good. Alright. Dude, I almost overslept again, bro. Like, I need to be getting in bed earlier. I'm gonna start going back to my old man routine, bro. Getting in bed at like freaking 9:30, 10 o'clock. I can't hang no more. I mean, this thing is still under 100. It's still under the 120. I mean, it's a little intraday. Let's bro, look at that gap down, dude. Jesus. Where are we trading at now? 97s. Try to get some real levels real quick off this thing. But honestly, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and close it out and take the loss, bro. I'm tired of dealing with this. It's taking up so much of my time. It cost me a lot of opportunity cost. Basically this whole week. So I just want to get out of it so I can get back to some trading. So I'll more than likely just go ahead and eat this loss off the open. Oh, I gotta post the watch list. Things looking strong. And the numbers didn't come in hot, so that means dip buyers are going to be on deck. The buyers are going to be on deck, bro. They're going to be on site. And we're trying to creep our way back up there to the psychological level of 100. See, I would try to get out of it now, bro, but like the actual the premiums aren't updating, bro. Like, I don't know the true premiums. Time is it? I gotta post the watch list. Bro, I got so much content. Thank God it's Friday. That Cuban coffee, bro. Oh Lord, did you see that that wick? Oh my God, dude. I'm about to get fucked. Dude, I'm about to get destroyed. Look at this thing. Just freaking popped up there. Getting reclaiming 99, 50, 55. Bro, this thing's about to crack 100, bro. I need to get out ASAP. Dude, I should have got out at the end of the day yesterday, bro. I thought the numbers aren't cooling off though. They're just not hot. So being that they're not hot is like basically bullish for the market. Because this is a dip buyer's mentality market, bro. Let's just set up my charts real quick here. Hear that alarm beat going off? That means it's about to get critical. I'll get it on the triple beam or the digital. Don't matter. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, I'm feeling pretty tired. Dude, I gotta get out and just eat the loss. I should have just ate it yesterday, bro. That way I could have started with a fresh, clean slate today. Haven't been able to really trade, bro, because I've been stuck in positions, bro. Sucks. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and post the watch list right quick. Give me 1 second. Damn, bro. It's not looking good. I don't know why my webcam is so messed up. I gotta get this thing. I need to get this thing set up where I don't have to move it around. Or move my chair. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Light check. It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. So take up all your clothes. Let's zoom out a little bit. What happened to my AC? It didn't turn on. There we go. Dude, I'm about to be like super deep in the red out the open. I'm scared. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Let me see if I can fix this noise gate. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. 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 That should be a little better. Let's check out some of the tickers that I have on my watch list. Oh my God, what happened to this thing? That would have been a nice one for the rip faders right there. Pre-market via equity. This thing's looking strong. Ran up, sold off. They took profits. Didn't give it all back. Ran up. Another cycle of profit taking. Didn't give it all back. So that lets you know it still has potential. The watch list is more designed for traditional traders. And obviously, I use the watch list too, but it's just the market conditions have led me to change my strategy. But as soon as we get back to a normal market condition, Look at mowing. I told you, you have to look at this thing just as you're waiting for the next catalyst to come out. But when the catalyst comes out, people, they trade it and then they take profits. And then it goes back down. It's just a rinse and repeat type deal with this thing. So whoever faded that rip from up there, looking decent right now. I mean, this thing's probably gonna tank, but if it catches a bounce around this previous close and can hold some support, maybe room for the upside. Let's zoom out. I mean, it's a bag holder chart, but it's showing some strength. So basically, if this thing can we got some support here. If it can hold that support in base, there may be some opportunity there. Obviously, to take the next leg up higher, we're going to have to break above this support. Might be another one right here. So this thing's going to have to break above 272, then 294. Might even have to break above the 250s first. Then 320s. Then 380s. The problem is, because it's the bag holder chart, anytime it catches momentum and tries to bounce and run up, you're gonna have bag holders stuck in it from up here at those higher prices, selling to get out, and it's gonna quench its momentum. Feel me? Hell is this thing, bro? That would have been a nice one for the rip faders. Just because these charts aren't going up doesn't mean that there's not opportunity there. There's opportunity on the way up and the way down. You feel me? Definitely on the way down. And Meta's like back up over 100, bro. This thing's gonna rip today. It cracked above that psychological level of the 100. This thing's gonna rip, bro. So I'm looking to go ahead and stop out off the open and more than likely flip long. The 96 foots. I mean, this thing they don't update till market open though. That's another reason why I need to switch to DAS. I mean, I could trade pre-market on Active Trader Pro, but I've never traded options pre-market. Let me go ahead and hydrate and get ready to feel maximum pain, bro. So it's looking like that's what's about to happen. It's all good though. Can't win them all though. We already know that. Where I messed up at is I didn't stick to my rules, bro. Which is when I know a position's going against me, go ahead and stop out. So we're just sitting here waiting for market to open. Let's check out some of the other big boys. Look, Apple freaking dipped all the way down here at one point. What? Those numbers weren't hot though. So it basically gave the whole market juice, bro. You might see some heavy dip buying come in. On Apple. And that 150 is up here. That's gonna be a major psychological level. Since the numbers aren't hot, I don't expect us to head lower. I expect that to mean bullishness, but we'll go ahead and put some supports down here anyways. Got the 144, 142.75, 141.50s. If by any chance the market does start to try to head down, we could bounce off any one of those levels. But again, since the numbers aren't hot, I would probably expect us to be heading up. So like that's 146.70s, 146.01, all potential resistance zones, 147.50. $148.20s. $147. 147.80s, and then obviously high of day. $149. Those are going to be levels to keep your eye on Apple. If you decide to trade Apple intraday, and if this thing rips, I mean, even up here. Oh shit. Alright, hold on 1 second. I really gotta get this fixed. My setup was set up for gaming. But yeah, if we end up ripping, you know, you want to look at the 151.90s as a possible resistance. That 150, definitely. Any of these levels here, if the price action gets around those, just be weary. You know, if you're in a position already, be looking to scale out, or you know, if you're not, and we're heading down to test a level, be looking to buy the dip. Or if you're not, and we're going up to one of those resistances, you could be looking to sell the rip. Let's check out, let's look at the cues. See, those numbers ain't coming hot, bro. It stopped the hemorrhaging, and now we're bouncing. What is that? 268.75. Yeah, that's a major level. We already know that from live trading. So, I mean, a major test is going to be when we get up here to previous lows. Which is that 272.80. I honestly don't see us breaking down past this 268.75. I mean, inflation didn't, as far as I understand the data, it hasn't gone lower. It's just, but it hasn't come in hot. So, I mean, to really go ahead and assume it's safe, probably want to verify that this thing is going to break out of this downtrend, which it looks like it's going to. I don't know what this is. I think it might be a misprint. So you see the cues freaking break this downtrend right here? You know we got more upside to ride. And then there's nowhere left to hide for the faders. The dip buyers are dressed in all black like Vader, ready to decapitate. But my money just extrapolates. Got them bars, dog. Telling you. Think it's a game? It's not. Look at this thing, bro. Breaking red to green. Having trouble, but I believe it breaks red to green. You hear the lady singing to me because she knows I'm in trouble. My damn brokerage account is about to be turned into rubble. Look at that thing breaking red to green. Apple's ripping, Q's ripping, SPY ripping. I'm surprised Meta ain't ripping. Again, Meta's been doing its own thing. But with this number print, or whatever data came out, it wasn't hot, bro. It was basically like even, which should be bearish, but in this market that doesn't make sense, where no matter what the data says, people just keep buying the dip, that like bearish news is bullish. It has to be super bearish for the market to have a bearish reaction. I'm scared to see my premiums update off a market open, bro. And I've been in some dicey situations in my life, but I'm honestly scared right now. You hear the lady singing to me, bro? Get ready to freaking get out of this thing ASAP. See how it said, I was just trying to like get it ready. The thing wouldn't even let me preview. And that's how I got stuck in that trade. See, I would love to see a washout first. That thing's washing out decent. But I think that was my best chance right there. You want to see a washout? See, down here was the washout. If we don't wash back out down here, I'm screwed. Like down here, it's probably going to be my best chance. But this is volatility off the open. We want to see volatility off the open and a washout to the bottom first before we start heading higher. But looking at this price action, that might not happen. We might just rip. That was the washout. Yeah, that was my washout chance. Market's ripping. I'm talking about ripping, dude. Like, dude, even bearish news. Bearish news is bullish in this market, bro. I mean, I see some logic with some red prints. Not enough though. Dude, the market's ripping, bro. Yeah. I should have got out down here. Again, I'm just, you know, it's pretty early in the trading period. So what we're seeing right now is off the open volatility. But that washout, because the market's ripping so hard, that might have been the only washout that we're gonna see. Look, it's putting in higher lows. Look, washout, base, higher low. So depending on what this candle does right here, looks like it wants to put in a bullish pattern. And you can see it from Apple and the Qs and the SPY. Dude, they're just ripping. So like, honestly, any large cap, mega cap stock, you know, wait, give it a little bit more time to put in a range. And I'd be going ahead and trying to buy the dip at a decent level, at a support. And go and getting ready to ride it on up. The only reason why I'm not doing that right now is because I'm stuck in this trade from yesterday. Just trying to see if it's gonna give me a chance, if it's gonna wash out down here and give me a chance to get out. See all those red grids? See, this is off the open volatility. That's why I say it's really not good to trade the first, you know, 10 to 15 minutes of the market. I mean, to trade that early, you have to really know what you're doing and basically know how to scalp real good. But if you're, you know, still in the kind of beginner stages, learning stages, like the first year or two, you want to be waiting at least 10 minutes. I'd say 15. See, it's kind of seeming like it wants to wash out. I mean, but that was the chance right there. It got down and looked like it was about to crack VWAP, and it bounced off VWAP. Remember what I said VWAP is. Positions ferociously against me right now. But I'm just trying to, because Meta has been kind of deviating from the overall market. So I want to see if that trend will continue. I'm seeing a lot of wicks on the top here, which means a lot of people are selling into the strength. But we're also seeing a lot of wicks on the bottom, especially a huge wick. So that means when it tried to sell off, there was buyers on deck waiting to buy it up. What we'd love to see is this thing crack VWAP and crack the 120. Let me go to more strikes. So you got a high concentration of calls at 125, at 120, at 110, at 105. Very high concentration of contracts at the 100 mark, psychological level, and 99, and 95, and 98. Basically through 95 to 100, high concentration of options. So between 95 and 100 is where you would expect this thing to trade around and possibly close at. That's for today's expiration, the 28th. And this beats perfect for what I'm doing right now because I'm literally, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm being. And see, we're claiming that we've reclaimed the psychological level. As this thing reclaims that psych level and bases above it, you can expect ripping to the upside. And I'm watching this erratic 1 minute chart right now. Look, it's trying to squeeze above that thing, bouncing off the 9, bro. Look at that 9 acting as a little springboard. It's fighting for that level. Again, that's where the highest concentration of strikes are at, 100. Oh, the open interest is 13,600. Right around the 100. That's on the put side. On the call side, it's 14,000. Volume's 15,000. Put side is 13,006. The volume is 2,100 on the puts. So obviously, more people leaning bullish. If you're looking at the options chain, and see this thing has reclaimed, and that's going to be my cue to get out. I'm out, dude. I just freaked, Doug. I had to take the huge loss, bro. I ate it. Had no choice. What would piss me off now is if this thing freaking washes down, bro. Oh, they won't even let me trade today's expiration. God damn it. That sucks. Alright, I flipped long. I flipped long, bro, like because the market's looking super bullish and it already sold off decent. So remember what I said, like the market's only gonna sell off so much. Dude, I would be so pissed if now this thing washes out to the bottom, bro. But I don't really see that happening. Look, we've already claimed the $100 psychological level, which is like right here. I mean, this right here can be considered a healthy pullback. Because if we zoom out, let's get rid of all this. Look where it came from. So if we're being logical, and we know this was obviously emotional trading, right? I would expect us to reclaim some of that. I'm seeing a lot of red print, so and I'm thinking I'm seeing a tiny baby wick on the top, but that's a 10-minute chart. Look at that thing on the 10-minute. It's just wicks. Some people think wicks are tricks. But when the wicks are going against you, wicks are icks. Look at that. Bro, this thing gave back the psych level, bro. Dog, I will be so pissed if my original thesis ends up being right. But at that point, I just couldn't stay in it any longer, bro. Not even so much because of the loss potential, but just because I've been in it for basically all week. And it's not only has it costed me money, but it's costed me opportunity. And I could have been making money trading other things. So that's why I feel at this point it's just better to go ahead and realize the loss and get out of it, so I can start with a fresh slate, a clean slate. You see me walking with a mean gait, my team straight, and that's me because I like to ride solo, like to ride dolo. When they see me coming, they say, "Oh no," because I'm a goddamn beast. I watch my equity curve grow up like some goddamn yeast in the oven. Dirtier than a dirty dozen. I was about to say something else, but I don't know. Don't want to get much. Don't want to get in trouble. It was bars though, but I ain't trying to get canceled. I ain't trying to get trampled. This thing's fighting for this level. It's the psych level, the 100. Got rich, lost it all, then got it back again. Yeah, I done it. Now you see me do it again live. Because everyone that's won at least tried. Oh, I see all these red breads. But now I flip long and red prints mean head dents for me. I don't want enough money for 1 or 2, but for 3 and 4, actually, and more. This thing's fighting, dude. But I would have expected us to rip by now. It's making me second guess going ahead and stopping out, bro. It really is. But there's a high concentration of calls at the $100 strike. I was hoping for that, but looking at the price action and the number print today, I had bearish positions, but I went ahead and stopped out and flipped long. Hopefully I'm not wrong. Positions, but bro, look at this. Look at the market, dude. After I stopped out and realized my loss when I had the puts, dude, this is why I love this. This is why I need to stick with my my first my instincts. But I mean, it could be just a healthy pullback. But if this thing washes out, oh dude, I'm gonna rage, bro. They're gonna have to put me in a cage, bro. Yeah, me too. I actually have had 5 green weeks in a row, bro. I ain't gonna lie though, like just now earlier I stopped out and just went ahead and ate the loss. Only because like I've been stuck in the position like all week damn near trading the same thing, and I was just sick of it at this point. Opportunity loss. Wait, you're live streaming right now? Where's your stream at? Put the link in the comments. This thing's looking real choppy around this psych level, bro. But again, like slightly bearish news, bro, and this market condition is bullish. I mean, we got above this psych level and we're trying to put in a higher low. They're fighting to keep it down, but there's wicks on the bottom, also wicks on the top. But the wicks on the bottom, I believe, have more of an advantage because first of all, we're trying to hold the psych level, and second of all these wicks in the bottom are bouncing off the 9 and VWAP. You feel me? And you hear the beat, that alarm's on. That means this is a critical time. Bro, this price action is really making me think I should have just stayed in the position, dude. Look at this. Look at that, bro. It's cracking all indicators. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to put my thing on do not disturb. All those red prints, dude. Dude, Meta tanked, bro. Like, I would expect for it to try to gain some of that back. But again, I've been bearish on it. So like I'm conflicted right now. Look at this thing, bro. Cracking. And you see the SPY, the Qs, and Apple. They've topped out. They've put in a top. And now they are heading back down. But again, you don't want to see stuff go straight up. So it could be a healthy pullback. So we put in the top, we've topped out, and we're like basing around up here at the top on the SPY. What we want to see is the SPY and the Qs break above the chop and then put in a new base up there. And Apple has topped out, put in a base, and now broken above the chop. So it's trading at 151.90s, about to get up to 152, and that looks good for the bullish thesis. A new candle hasn't opened above the chop though, above that level, the 151.70, the 151.70s, 151.72, but it's ripping above it. The SPY is trying to break through the chop at the top, It already put in a new high. With the candle struggling, it has a wick on the top. But what we want to see for the bullish case is the SPY go ahead and break above that chop there, that level, the 382. I meant 383.08, and it's looking weak. Like we're I think where I messed up on the week at is whenever I hit for meta before, I should have left it alone. Or I should have stayed in those puts and caught that freaking huge crack to the downside. I would have been done trading for the week at that point. Instead, I missed that opportunity and basically, because I ended up being right, I went ahead and chased it, and that put me in a bad position, bro. Things looking weak. Look at it on the 2 minute. Getting back down, bro. Like, something's wrong with my platform. Like, it's not updating my P&L. I'm gonna go ahead and restart it real quick. Give me a second. Hey, if you're looking at this, it's looking pretty bullish. Let's get some thrills and watch this erraticness. I feel like this thing's gonna chop around here. I don't know why I feel so tired, bro. I think I've been staying up too late. And that's obviously caused me to make some poor decisions. The fatigue. I'm looking at this price action, and because I'm seeing the highest concentration of strikes at this $100, I'm at the highest concentration of contracts at this $100 strike. Making me feel like this thing's gonna chop around this area all day. Metal on the 10 minutes looking like straight wicks, bro. Straight doja candles. Just indecision. On the 5 minute, there's a little more rhyme and reason, but obviously there's some decent resistance up here. Look at all these wicks. So, in order for us to realize some real upside, we need to break above that chop. Right here, this 100, 120 handle, $100 and 20 cents, 22 cents. This is where our major resistance is. Off the intraday, from an intraday perspective. It's trying, bro. If that thing can break above it and pick up some volume, I think this thing rips to the upside. Look at it, it's trying so hard, bro. Look at the wick on the bottom. It's just being met with waves of sellers trying to fade it off that level. The $100, $100, 21 cents handle right here. Look how many times it got up there and rejected. So people are just fading it off that level over and over. And looking at all these wicks on the top, it's looking like a pretty solid plan. But honestly, I feel like the longer it stays up here and consolidates and tries to break above it, the more of a chance it has to break above it and rip. Only thing that's hurting it right now is the overall market. Basically, the SPY and the Qs are selling off. They hit the top of the range and just made a U-turn. And this price action is making me think that I was wrong. I should have just stayed in my position. Look, it's cracking this trend. The market's selling off decent, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Like rejecting, cracking all levels, going back down to previous close. Now Apple's trying to reject. It did reject off the top of the range, but it hasn't given back that level that it based on, like the 150s, 151. I do see the SPY and the Qs trying to catch a bounce off VWAP. The price action's gonna be weird though. Like on a Friday where you have a lot of contracts expiring. That's another reason why I tend to like try to stay away from Fridays. Because the expirations. Oh, what's good, bro? Damn, I gotta put my chat over here where I can see it. Yeah, I mean, you see what's going on right now. Like, dude, I had to put my puts printed earlier in the week. But I stayed, I made the mistake and stayed in them again. And I ended up having to stop out and take a decent loss. And because, you know, my thesis in theory is that because Meta sold off so much and that the numbers that came out weren't hot, that we should see some bullishness. But I called for Meta to go under 100 like the other day, 2 days ago, when you know, all the analysts were upgrading it and saying it was going to 200, 225. I said it was going to 100, and it did. So really, it made no sense for me to flip long, but I feel like seller exhaustion, bro. This thing's fighting for this psych level, this 100. But the real level it needs to break above is this 121. Look how many times it's rejected. Now we see some strength coming into the big boys. Look at the SPY. Breaking back above that level. What you really want to see is the SPY break above this chop. What you think about them beats? I make all them beats too, bro. Honestly, bro, I'm feeling super tired, bro. I'm fatigued. So you know when you're tired, your brain doesn't operate at maximum capacity. Look how thing's fighting, bro. Once it actually reclaims this psych level and then breaks above this level in basis, we can expect to see things fighting, dog. Yeah, dog. And usually when I'm trading this strategy. If I'm not right within the first few minutes, I usually cut it. But this is a unique event. I see Apple ripping. Hopefully the general can drag up the entire market. Look at this thing. Actually, I forgot that once I stopped out of Meta, I didn't want to trade it no more. Forgot about that. Oh, my freaking something's wrong with my whatchamacallit. My P&L isn't updating. Hold on, give me a second. I mean, that's the kind of price action we wanted to see right there. We finally broke above that chop. That's a good one. Yeah, that's good. That's my daughter. No. I don't know why my chat ain't updating right, bro. Yeah, that's the price action we wanted to see. But oh, dude. Like my freaking P&L ain't updating, bro. This is what I mean about Active Trader Pro. Alright, there goes the like I don't understand why my P&L isn't updating right now. Everything's just like flat. And I know I'm in the green because I can look at the price of the premiums and tell. And this is what we wanted to see. Let's break above this chop. Now the next hurdle is to go ahead and create a new high of day, which we tried to do. We got right up there to the high of day and rejected. Yeah, that's good. This thing's trying to reject, bro. But we've already broken above all this chop. It's gonna be hard for us to give that back. Look at all these wicks. And then you're seeing increase in volume come in. Almost 3.5 million shares. Oh, I gotta they're trying to give it back. Freaking they just tanked on that thing, bro. This $100 psych level though should hold up. If that $100 psych level doesn't hold up, we're in trouble. Look, bro, they're dumping on it hard. Dumping on that thing, bro. Look. Look at that wick up there. If I wasn't already in a position, I'd be looking to freaking scalp to the downside real quick. I'd be looking to grab, well, now it's too late. But when we were above 100, I'm really starting to think that I was right, bro. Look like Meta's acting too weak compared to everything else. And That's something I need to work on, bro. Sticking with my first mind, my first conclusion. What did I say? Under 100. But again, seller exhaustion, bro. Like, at some point, seller exhaustion's coming into the picture. Things just breaking down, bro. That freaking level up there is deadly, bro. This one. Look at this, bro. That's why I don't. Active Trader Pro sucks. Hopefully by this weekend I can have my dash and everything set up. Show you what a real trading platform looks like. It's crucial right here. That crucial level there with the uptrend. It either cracks the trend or breaks through the level. And it's looking like we're cracking the trend. Dog. What I don't understand is why my P&L isn't updating, bro. The hell is going on with that? I need to be able to see my P&L. Let me restart my platform. Dog, this shit pissing me off, bro. They won't even let me see my P&L, dog. What the hell is going on? How am I supposed to be able to keep track of my shit? It's the last straw, dog. I meant to reset my goddamn network yesterday too, bro. Forgot. Look, dude. This bitch is freaking tanking. I think my original thesis was correct. Those bases may be missing for one or more positions. I don't know how that could just be blank. That's something that I've never seen. But I am forever clean. On the track, I am forever mean. I ride solo, me, I'm my forever team. Beat me, dog, you can forever dream. But it'll never happen. If so, I will get the clapping. This thing won't hold this trend, bro. I'm telling you, that level, the level is crucial, bro. 121. If we ever get back above that thing in base, to the top we will chase. I stay around from people because I am not trying to catch another case. Because these motherfuckers will plot in your face with a smile. It is wild. Excuse my French. I'm sorry. But my people can't excuse the lynch that was happening. This thing's going to the downside. I should have held on. But another thing though that also kind of pushed me to go ahead and just stop out was because the expiration is today. And I'm not trying to get you know, filled or whatever. High concentration of options of contracts at this $100, bro. For the expiration of today, it's damn near even. There's 14,000 open interest on the call side, 13,000 open interest on the put side, 42,000 volume on the call side, only 13,000 on the put side. And then for the expiration in 7 days, high concentration of the $100 strike, 17,000 open interest, volume 11,000. But on the put side, there's only 5,000 open interest and 3,000 volume. So the options chain is looking more on the bullish side. And I'm not like a pro on options, but I understand the basics. So I believe I had that right. I know the basics. I got 100 pair of J's, so you were Asics. Bro, it's looking like I should have stayed in my position, my guy, and faded it. Dude, I'm about to call my broker though, bro, because why my freaking P&L isn't updating, I don't know. It's like it's really pissing me off. It's like I'm flying blind, basically. I mean, I know, you know, the price that I bought the contracts at, but still, I like to look over and see like my P&L and the percentages. And right now I'm not able to do that. And it's very sus. Look at this thing, bro. Cracking. Fuck. I should have just held my shit, dog. Better go with your first mind, bro. Bro, meta is not what's the word I'm looking for? It's not participating in the rest of the market, dog. Very strange. But I called it. I called my shit. I called it and I was right. So why I flipped long, I don't know. But I guess because my expiration was today and I feel like it's beaten down. And seller exhaustion. But that move is costing. I took a couple, lost in some. The move right, and now it's looking dumb. But it's not over until the fat lady song. Dude tried to run up, his bill got rung. And I'm number one, by the way. And I get money more and more by the day. I am the leader. I make shit happen by the play. When I call them, plus I'm balling. But I want this thing to run up. But there's a bunch of sellers with the wall and all that on the level too. Beat me, never you. I keep forgetting this is the finance. I'm so lucky that I took and cashed out all my crypto out of Binance at the top, bro. I took my shot, bro, but I got out. For anyone that's still holding all that shit, dog, y'all shot out. I'm just being honest. Can't help it with the beats in the background. We've been listening to the same beats. I know I got more beats somewhere. Well, I'm really looking for the playlists. Well, Let's put on this grind music. And that shit going against me decent. Bro, I was right, dog. Why did I flip my bias? I'm acting like I'm the highest, but I am sober. Positions, trying to strike like a damn cobra. Poisonous with the venom. But hell is where I sent them. If you try to step up, you will get effed up. I'm just freaking sharing my stream to a gang of spots. Where's all these trading communities I was in? Bro, I just spam that thing to like 1,000 different freaking social medias. Like, dog, something's wrong with this platform, bro. I can't see my P&L, bro. What the hell? And I don't have time to freaking call Fidelity and troubleshoot this shit when I'm in the middle of a trade, dog. SPY, the Qs, and Apple, all the big dogs and major indices are grinding up. What's concerning is that Meta is not participating in the upside action, but it is participating in the downside action. That's not good if you're a bull. With my Wi-Fi. That is it. And that's it. I thought I made that beat longer. Hey, that shit was bumping though. Let's run it back. I meant to drop on that. I'll come and drop on cats. In an instance. Try not to curse, bro. I see us trying to put in a bullish pattern, but we're rejecting off of VWAP. That dude ran up and he got laid down and sprayed down. Actually, he got played like a Wow. That is it. Alright, we see some bullishness coming in. They keep selling into it on VWAP. It keeps rejecting. I wanna see it ejecting. We're basing on the 9. Trying to get past this short term and VWAP. I mean, we sold off pretty decent. Bearish pattern off this level. This is a key level right here. The $100.21 handle is a key level, bro. Doesn't get more key than that. We were able to break above it for a little bit. Twice. Everything else was just wicking above it. So it looks like we're reclaiming VWAP in the short term. Now, if we can kind of base up here and open the next candle above VWAP, I feel like, and then because you have all this chop here, see all these wicks. So right there, that's a level intraday. So if the next candle can open above VWAP and open above this level, I feel like we can then put in a decent higher low and possibly base from here, and then try to wake our way up past this key level, and then ultimately past this top of the range right here, extreme top. There's resistance, pretty strong resistance up there at 185, the 185 handle. Trying to break this resistance, but we need to break through it with some persistence. I come through and make cash in an instance. Fuck with me, I'll have them people in remembrance of you, and then they will forget when time goes by. I'm more interested in the money I can give up if dimes go by. The only dimes I'm concerned with is the ones I can put in my pocket. I'm talking about the profit. I make shit fit tighter than a ratchet that fits in the socket. I spin shit around and around like a sprocket, but with the chain, I come through with the brain to lead a whole nation. Obviously, this is the support right here. Look, we came down, and then also from pre-market. Look, rejected, crossed the indicators, bullishness, came up to this level and rejected. The 99, 14, 15 handle, rejected. Broke above, sold off, tried to crack. This was off the open. Was bought back up to this level. Base there. Next candle opened right on that level. Tried to sell off, they bought it back up. It became support. Went up here to the top of the range, chopped around, finally sold off. Came back down to this level. This 99.15. Obviously, the strongest levels come off the daily. But you can get levels intraday as well. Especially when you see the price action supporting the levels and respecting them. This is the major level right here, key level. Every time it goes up there, reject. So I feel like you have a bunch of rip faders and shorts right here at this level. Every time the price action gets up there, reject. But dude, the overall market is bullish right now. So I feel like after a while, Meta should be able to eventually claim this level and base above it. And at that point, maybe Meta could join in with the rest of the market. But until then, it's just chop. Oh, something's not right with my shit, bro. My P&L and my positions, like none of that's loading. Something's not right with my platform. The boys are backing down. Make sure everything's right. And then watch the chart on a different platform. Make sure everything's syncing up right. Cause this ain't something's critically wrong with this. I'd love to see my goddamn P&L. It's not showing me nothing, no percentages, nothing. Let's restore defaults. Thing's cracking, bro. Extended hours last. I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Last price. Don't need the bid. Don't need the ask. Don't need the volume. Don't need the trade armor. Real-time analytics. Look at this thing, bro. Don't need the news here. Don't need the earnings. Look, it got back up to that level and rejected again, bro. I'm telling you, bro, that's a key level, bro. That 100, that 121 handle. Look, look, look at how much the price action respected that resistance, bro. That level commands some respect. The thing is, that that's just bears, and they're just basically selling the rip. And this thing's already oversold. So, being that it's oversold drastically, and we are in a dip buyer's market, basically, where everyone has this buy the dip mentality. I believe eventually whoever's selling the rip up there eventually runs out of steam and the dip buyers take over. And because we sold off so decent, that we could possibly see some nice upside. What you think about that plan? Sounds solid to me. Rejected it again. Bro, this is bullshit that I can't see my P&L though. Look, rejected, sold off again, cracked VWAP, the 9, and the short term. I mean, if this thing cracks this 99.15 right here, bro, it's over with. And I'm going to know that my original thesis was correct. And I'm going to be pissed. I had the puts twice. The second time I bought them, wasn't really the best entry. It actually was, but I didn't execute my exit when I should have. Yesterday morning, if you go back and watch the stream from yesterday morning, right before market open, I was looking at the, I believe it was like the 98 or 99 puts. They were 19 cents. So I could have loaded up on those things. I could have bought like 100 of them. Let me see, at 19 cents. So 1 would be 19. 10 would be 190. 100 would be 1900. So I could have loaded up on 100 of those right out the gate. Soon as market opened, the premium of those options went from 19 cents to $3.50, which means they basically went from $19, from being worth $19 to being worth $350 in 1 second. And I'm like, dude, that would have been like the play of the year, bro. Like, I would have turned 1900 into like 35 racks in 1 second. That shit would have been awesome. But again, you have to be in the markets to see stuff like that. So now I know what to do next time. Bro, this thing's looking like it's about to crack, bro. Shit's looking whack, bro. I goddamn lost a stack, bro. But it it was house money. Look. Oh, I'm gonna be so mad, bro, if this thing comes down here and cracks the 120 and goes green to red. It's gonna let me know I was right. Look at this thing, bro. And notice the SPY and the Qs and Apple are just basically taking a breather, like they topped out, and it's kind of like a healthy pullback, right? But on a healthy pullback for the SPY, the Qs, and Apple, this is what you're getting on Meta. But when the SPY, Qs, and Apple run up, like you're not, like Meta's not participating in the run up. Dude, I was right, bro. I was right, dog. I should have just stayed in my position. I called for Meta to be under 100, and it came true. So why I flipped my bias, I'm starting to second guess myself right now. At the same time, though, I didn't buy the strike expiring today. The strike I bought expires next week. So even if this thing doesn't end up reclaiming this level and heading higher, I'm pretty confident that by next week it will. But I want to see some, I want to see some action today. Beat though. Like we're going into midday. All right. Usually around midday, you see some volume. I meant like before midday, like around 11 o'clock, 11:30, you usually see like some volume and some buying come into the market, some bullishness. And Meta's definitely not showing that sign. We've cracked the 120, bro. This thing's about to crack and go lower, dog. About to freaking put in like a spread or something, bro. This thing trading sideways. Looking weak. Damn, I should have just kept my fucking position, bro. Holy shit, look at this. I called it. I called it, dog. So I got some more content from yesterday too. When I had stopped the stream, I just recorded. And I got content for days, bro. Decent content. You know what I want to check? I want to see how I can get, like how I can get my Rumble chat. I'm at my Rumble chat. Like how do you There's gotta be a like a way to like pay attention to your chat. I don't understand it. How am I supposed to watch my chat on Rumble? Like, pay what do I just have to have I have to have it open? Like, I don't understand that. Doesn't make any sense. Where would the chat be at for the live stream? Is it Rumble Rants? Or is it comments? Can you undock this? I don't understand it. Makes no sense. I guess you would have to do it like this. Your message here. Comments here. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense, bro. Like, if you're live streaming on a platform, you should be able to have access to the chat. I would think. This thing's just looks like it's just trapping, bro. What was that key level? It was the 120 right here. So we're concerned. My main concern is going to be that level. We came down here and bounced. So that 98.27 is another main concern. We got all these wicks here. Right around here. So this obviously is going to be a decent level to break above. And then we already have red to green here. All right. So those are the major levels. It looks like we came down here to this 98.25 handle based. We also rejected. We bounced off of it decent with 4 million shares of volume. 2.5 million shares sell off, came down here and bounced. Based and tried to bounce with the wick based again. So it's 15 minutes of basing down here. And now we're trying to put in a bullish pattern, a reversal of sorts. Let's see if we can have some continuation. We put in a higher low, and then on this higher low present candle, we bounced off the 120. Nice long wick on the bottom. I mean, it's putting in a bullish pattern, but will it have any continuation? And I mean, there's our downtrend. Downtrended, tried to bounce and break out of the downtrend and reverse. It was unsuccessful. Got back up here to this key level, rejected hard, cracked through all our indicators, and washed out to the bottom of the range. Hit this support down here, and is trying to put in a bullish pattern and possibly reversed. We're trying to bounce off the 120, which is crucial, because again, I use the 120 as a long-term directional. So if we are above the 120, I feel like there is a chance for bullishness still. But once we crack under that 120, you're bearish for sure. So let's see what happens here around this 120. Let me just chill. I had to freaking do something because my P&L is still not updating. It's making me think something's wrong. Something's wrong here. I'm like, I don't have time to call Fidelity, bro, while I'm in the middle of a trade. Look at this thing, bro. God damn it. I was right, dog. Fuck, I should have just stayed in my position, bro. Sucks. It sucks, bro. This shit ain't right, bro. Something's wrong with my platform, bro. Alright. I gotta restart everything, bro. So just give me a second, I'll be back on.